Hey guys, it's Chester here, back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your own website for free. So without further ado, let's get right into today's adventure. Okay, so first things you're going to want to do is open your Google Chrome, and then you're going to want to search Google Sites. Then after you search that, you're going to want to hit this one, Google Sites right here. Why do I have that? And then if you don't have an account, you can sign in and do all that kind of stuff. But I already am signed in because I'm signed into Google and I've done this before. And then you're going to want to hit create. In the left hand side it says create, and you're going to want to choose a template. You can leave it blank. I'm just going to leave it blank, and then you're going to want to name your site. So I'm just going to name it YouTube website, and then right here it's going to want you to do a domain name. And then if you submit it and it says domain cannot be found or something, it's because someone's already used it. So I'm just to make sure I'm gonna do 2018. Okay, it's 2018. And then you have to verify you're not a robot. That was weird. And then I'm actually just gonna go ahead and do classroom, I guess. And then I'm gonna hit create. See, the site URL you have chosen is not allowed. So then I'd have to come down here, and since it said I couldn't do that, but version 1.1.1. That's not really what the version is, I think, but still. So then, after it verifies, whoops, I have to do something. Go back. Don't let me go up. Oh, come on. So I'll just quickly redo that real quick, and I'll be back once I've done everything. Okay, so I'm back, and it's just saying that this isn't available. So let me try 2018 YouTube. Right? Yep. YouTube site. Whoops. Site. See if that works. Hold on. Let me go up. Okay, and then I'm gonna hit create site. What? Okay, let me just try typing in. I'm just gonna type in. Let's just type in my YouTube thing. Look, it's 12. Let's try that. Verify I'm not a robot real quickly. Did it work? Okay, so now let's check. And then it will create my site. Gotta be kidding me. Nope. Let's look at that. Let's do version 3, 2018. Okay guys, so basically I've already showed you guys how to do it. You just do create, do your name, put the template you want, and then you do diamond name, verify you're not a robot, and you can do a whole bunch of stuff and then hit create. And yeah, but it's not really wanting to work for me right now, so I can't fully show you guys. I apologize, but yeah, so if you guys like this video, make sure to subscribe, turn on the post notifications, and slap that like button. And if you guys have any suggestions, just make sure to put them in the comments and all that kind of stuff. Peace.